encounter physical, mental, intellectual, behavioral, or sensory condition that limits the individual, which results to limitation or difficulty encountered executing a task or actions. Learners with disability refers to a learner in the general early and basic education system who require educational support and related services and adaptive pedagogic method due. So we need to be aware of children with physical disabilities to ensure they're included, supported, and given equal opportunities in all aspects of life. Awareness helps reduce stigma and discrimination, fostering a more empathetic and understanding society. It also encourages the creation of accessible environments, policies, and resources that needs to cater to specific needs